Alright, you guys, today I present to you watermelon juice. Watermelon juice has a lot of health benefits. It is 92% water, so it keeps you hydrated. If you desire something sweet, I would recommend drinking watermelon juice. Now what I'm doing here, I'm just putting it into my juicer and letting it run through. Make sure that I'm extracting all of the juice. Now I only use a half a watermelon because my watermelon was pretty big. And just some more health benefits of watermelon. Again, it helps you stay hydrated. It helps improve heart health, lowers inflammation and oxidative stress. Also, if you're a person that works out a lot, it can help relieve muscle soreness as well. Now I have the juice inside this container here, makes it easier to pour. And I've gotten a strainer because even though I put it in the juicer, there can be a little bit of pulp left over. So I'm just pouring it through here so that it can catch the pulp. Now, just a little tip, if you want to make watermelon juice, the best watermelon to use is the one with seeds because it's healthier for you, one, and because it's a lot sweeter. And this is something you can give to your kids in the summers. You can make popsicles or watermelon cubes, ice cubes with it as well. So now that I have all of the watermelon juice strained out, I just add it to my container here, and as you can see, it has made a lot, and I only use a half of watermelon. This watermelon juice is nice and refreshing and hydrating for the summer weather. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe.